Are you tired of having boring houseplants? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 creative crafts to spruce up your houseplants. Our first craft is a caterpillar buddy. The supplies we are going to use are 7 beads of different sizes. Next is 7 inches of jute rope, some pipe cleaners, and a hot glue gun to put it all together. And finally, some paint. Let's get started. The first step is to paint the beads the main color. It can be red, blue, yellow, green, whatever color you want. The second step is to string the beads together. I use jute string so that I can make some antennas at the end. Third, cut some pipe cleaners to make the feet. You can pick any color you want. Fourth, install the feet. Fifth, glue your caterpillar into position. You can be laying down, sitting up, whatever you choose. Sixth, this is where you add your final touches. Maybe some polka dots, some other colors that you want to add to your caterpillar. It's your choice. For our second craft, we are going to make a trio of friends. The supplies we are going to use are 2-inch styrofoam balls, clay, and some paint. Now let's get to it. Our first step is to cut the styrofoam balls in half. Second step, draw your pattern of your ladybug, turtle, and hedgehog, or whatever creature of your choosing, on the styrofoam balls. Third, paint your creatures. Fourth, add some details, and of course the finishing touches. Our third craft will be to make some rocky bees. The supplies we are going to use are rocks of various size and shape, paint, and pipe cleaners. The first thing you're going to want to do is paint your rocks in some bee colors. The second step is to add some googly eyes and wings. And third, place your rocky bees. Thank you for watching. Hopefully with these ideas, you will be able to spruce up your houseplants with your own plant buddies. Make sure you like and subscribe. We've got new ideas coming out all the time.